Ground floor. Hello? Is anyone there?
He entered the elevator but never came out.
I wanted to buy chips, but now I just want to go home.
Arav, I can hear you knocking. Are you okay?
Yes.
I am trying, Mama.
Good.
Meera, breakfast is ready. Come and sit at the table.
Mama, I'm coming.
Where is Arav? Call your brother.
Mama, Arav went downstairs.
Downstairs? Why?
He said he wanted to buy chips from the shop outside the building.
Chips? Did he go alone?
Yes, Mama. He said he would come back quickly.
Oh, Arav. He should have told me first.
I will buy my favorite chips and surprise everyone.
Come on, elevator.
Perfect. Ground floor. Maybe I should also buy chocolate for Meera. Huh? That felt strange. Hello? What's happening?
Why did it stop? No. Maybe if I press the button again. Come on, move! Hello? Is anyone there?
Ding, ding, ding! Mama, Papa!
I don't like this. I want to go home.
It has only been a few minutes. He will be back soon. Maybe he started talking to his friend. Meera, drink your milk.
Mama, Arav loves chips so much.
Yes, but he should not go outside alone. It has been 10 minutes. Meera, Arav should have been back by now.
Mama, maybe he is talking to the security guard. Maybe the shop was crowded.
Maybe...
Mom, I think I heard a noise downstairs.
Let me go downstairs and check.
Be careful, Mom.
I will, sweetie. I'll be right back. Why is the elevator not coming? This is strange. I'll take the stairs. Uncle Ramesh, have you seen Arav?
Arav? No, I haven't seen him today.
Are you sure? It's really important.
I'm sorry, Priya. I'll keep an eye out.
He came downstairs to buy chips.
Maybe he is still upstairs.
Can we check the security camera?
Of course. Here, this camera shows the elevator area.
Wait, there he is. After that?
Let's see. He entered the elevator but never came out.
That means he is still inside. Please call the elevator technician immediately.
Don't worry. I am calling him right now. Hello, there is one lift got stuck and a child is inside. Please come quickly.
Now I will never go alone. I wanted to buy chips, but now I just want to go home.
Arav, I can hear you knocking. Are you okay?
Yes.
Yes, Mama, but the elevator stopped. Don't worry, Arav. Mama is right outside. Mama, I was scared.
Arav, if you can hear Mama, knock on the door.
Knock, knock. Good. Mama is right here.
You are not alone. Arav, listen carefully to Mama.
Okay, Mama.
Take slow, deep breaths.
I am trying, Mama.
Good. Help is coming. The technician is on the way.
I came as quickly as I could.
My son is trapped inside.
Don't worry. The elevator stopped between floors. I will open it.
Mama?
Yes?
Are you still there? Of course. I still have the coin for the chips.
You can buy them later.
I think I don't want chips anymore.
How much more time is it going to take?
Just 10 more minutes.
I am worried he is alongside.
Okay, the door is opening now.
Arav! Mama!
Are you hurt?
No, but I was very scared.
Everything is okay now.
Arav, where were you?
I got stuck in the elevator.
Really?
It was dark and quiet.
I heard what happened.
Arav was very brave.
Arav, next time you must tell Mama or Papa before going outside.
Okay, Papa.
I promise. And never use the elevator alone.
Okay, Mama.
Arav, do you still want chips?
Maybe later.